Jay here with your Phuket weekly weather report. Now, as you can probably tell, I'm not at the office. I'm at my house. Look, my garden needs a bit of a clean up. Anyway, look at the weather. It's a wee bit overcast today, which is a little bit abnormal for this time of year. So I wonder what the weather's going to be doing for the rest of the week. If only there was a way to find out. Let me think. I would shout Sean because he's our usual meteorologist, but unfortunately he's busy today, so he's asked me to do it again, which I'm surprised he did because the viewing figures last week were pretty rubbish with my weather report. Anyway, should we go and do the weather? Yes. Jay, what's the weather doing? Oh, what's that? Oh, oops.
Hey, yo, what the
Right. Hello. Jay here, about to do the weather. That's right. Not sure what that was. Anyway, hey, look, have you seen our little thermos flasks? That's right. They keep hot things hot and cold things cold. How do they do it? I don't know. You can buy these online or at our office if you want. There you go. Anyway, that and those blue shirts. I'm not wearing mine today. But let's look at the weather. Right now, this is the weather right now. This is Sunday. I'm recording this on Sunday the 12th. And look at it. It's windy, it's green, and it's a little bit overcast, as you just saw outside. But look, lots of green. It's going to be quite bumpy out there if you're out on tour today. But let's look to see what happens throughout the whole week, because it does change, of course, because that's what happens with weather systems. They change. They move away, and some go, and some stay, and some go, and some stay. Right, let's look at Sunday afternoon. Well, we don't care about Sunday afternoon. Let's look at Monday. So Monday, you see it starting to drop off. Now remember, blue is good. That's less wind. Green is more wind. And yellow, as we saw from today, which is not today, because if you're watching this today, it's very confusing, isn't it? Anyway, Sunday, you can see it's very yellowy. But on Monday the 13th, it's not so bad. So you can see there are just a random patch of blue. Not sure what that is. That's an abomination, I guess. I don't really know. Anyway, it's still a little bit bumpy, especially down here. This is down in PP. It's still a little bit bumpy down there because the wind creates the waves, obviously. So it does get a bit bumpy on Monday. Let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday, still a bit windy on Tuesday. Look, still green, not too bad. Obviously, Pangnam Bay is always quite calm because Krabi protects it from the major wind. So it is a little bit calm down there. We have a cat come to see us. This is Mr. Pickles. He's my cat. Hello, Mr. Pickles. Are you going to do the weather? Or are you going to come and just interrupt me right there? Okay. That's probably not the best place to sit. They can't see because your tail's in the way. And you've just hit my camera. Right. Sorry about that. That was Mr. Pickles. Right, back to Tuesday. So Tuesday, still a bit breezy. Let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday, starting to die off. There you go. Wednesday starting to go up. More blues. And look, that same area here that was blue before is now purple. Purple's really good. Purple means it's beautiful. So that's good. There's purple down here as well, down towards PP. So Wednesday looks like a really, really good day. Let's look at Thursday. Oh my golly gosh. Thursday looks a little bit bumpy. A little bit windy on Thursday. If you book for Thursday, it might blow through, but I'm not sure. What was this patch here? I wonder what this is. It's like the Bermuda Triangle, although it's a circle. I wonder why that's so like that. Very strange. I wonder what's there. Anyway, there you go. Thursday looks a bit dodged, to be fair. Quite windy on Thursday, so if you're going out on Thursday, maybe take a seasick tablet or two. No, don't take two because you'll be asleep. Only take one. Right, on Friday eases off a little bit. Still this patch here, I really want to know what that is. Something going on there. Ooh, aliens, I think. Somewhere. Anyway, so where are we? Friday the 17th, still a bit blowy, especially down in PP. Pangnam Bay looks really nice, so you can head up to Pangnam Bay, go and do some bioluminescence. Let's look at Saturday. Saturday, still a little bit windy, but not too bad. It's still a bit greeny down in PP, but up in Pangnam Bay it looks quite nice. So Pangnam Bay seems to be the place to go, especially this week. And then let's look at what we're doing Sunday. Sunday the 19th is a beautiful day because that's my birthday. That's right, everyone. Sunday the 19th of January is my birthday. So make sure you send some gifts in now, please. Yes? Good. And look at the weather. The weather looks stunning. Now, I did ask Sean if I could take a boat out on Sunday the 19th, but he said we're fully booked. So I didn't have one. But I will be going out and doing a little video on Lisa One, a little rib, and we're going to have a seafood buffet, which would be nice. Anyway, there you go, Sunday the 19th, beautiful day. Right, weather radar for today. There you go. I'm not sure what this shows. Sean has this up all the time and says it's very important. I think it's to show participation. I think the green bits are rain. I don't really know, to be perfectly honest. I should do more study on this and how it works. Right, let's move on to ACCU weather, AccuWeather. See what it's like. Right, today, this is Sunday, 31 degrees. Nice, with intervals of cloud and sunshine. Well, it's quite overcast today. Now, it does say here, there's a 40% chance of rain. Now, that doesn't mean across the whole of Phuket, there is a 40% chance during the day it's going to rain. It means there is a 40% chance that it might rain somewhere on Phuket on that day. That means it could be raining in Patong and it might not be raining in Phang Nga Bay. It could, well, that's not even in Phuket to be fair, but it's not even raining in Phuket town. Or it could be raining on Mai Khao Beach and not raining down in Qatar. Very different places, you see. So that's what that means. Monday, 31 degrees, yeah, partly sunny and pleasant. I'll tell you what, 31's not pleasant sometimes, that's for sure. 20% chance of rain. Tuesday, 31, 80% chance of rain. Wednesday, 32. Now, Thursday's the horrible day. That was 31 degrees. Mostly cloudy, breezy in the afternoon with a touch of rain. So, Thursday, maybe go and do a cooking class. Maybe. Still go on tour though, if you don't mind a bit of rain. You only get wet. It's like little drops of sunshine, isn't it? Friday looks okay. A little bit of partly sunny with a couple of showers. I reckon that'll blow out by then. And then Saturday, 32 degrees. Very nice. And then Sunday, my birthday, Sunday, the 19th of January. If I told you that, 19th of January is my birthday. You can buy me a present, send them in now. I accept everything, PayPal, gifts, pigeons, whatever. I don't mind. I don't know why I said pigeons. Oh, because you can send stuff via pigeon, can't you? I'm not sure we're allowed to do that. I think Peter got upset with us, whoever Peter is. Anyway, Sunday, although it says here on the windy map, Sunday looks amazing. On my AccuWeather, it says Sunday is going to rain. I don't know. Who knows what to believe? Do you know what the best thing to do, though, is to go to our social media accounts where we do a lot of reels and shorts about daily weather updates. That's right, you can see me doing daily weather, where I point at the sky and say, look at the weather. Looks nice, isn't it? Let's do more of those. Okay, I will. Right then, there you go. Get to the radar. Still don't know what that means. Anyway, right, so that is your weekly weather forecast here in Phuket with me, Jay the Shark. Sean will be back. Don't worry, I think he better come back soon because I'm not sure this video was informative as well as his are because he's smarter than me. That's right. Anyway, there you go. Phuket weather with me, Jay Sharp. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Did you know that most of our subscribers don't watch our videos? It's people that aren't subscribed. So if you've not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and help me out, and then Sean will give me a bonus. And it's my birthday soon, so subscribe for my birthday. Thanks for watching. Bye.